WhatsApp lead generation strategy for e-commerce. In this video, we are going to discuss how to use discount coupons and pop-ups to generate WhatsApp leads. If you are an e-commerce business owner or an agency owner who runs ads for e-commerce, then do watch this video till the end. It's going to be super action-packed. It's going to change the way you think about lead generation forever. Okay. So generally lead generation was synonymous with email collection. Now we are going to talk about how to collect customer contact details, customer phone numbers with the power of WhatsApp API. Okay. So without further ado, let's start the show. My name is Anthony and I am the founder of Alpha Marketer. And today we're entering episode number 20 of the Conversational Marketing Show. This is your go-to show to become a conversational marketing expert and turn those conversations into conversions. So first, let's look at the common lead generation practice in e-commerce. Okay. So normally what happens, you run ads, people click on the ad, they come to the website, and then there is a pop-up that appears. Okay. So that pop-up claims that, I'm going to give you a discount coupon. To get the discount coupon, enter your email ID. Okay. That's what the messaging is all about. So a sample is here. So it says get $10 off on your first order. Just subscribe to our newsletter to receive the code. Okay. So common practice, this is how a coupon code is used to generate leads. And of course, there's a pop-up that actually appears on the screen. Now, when it comes to WhatsApp, we can do it differently by positioning the message something like this. It will say get flat $10 off on your first purchase. Now, instead of entering an email address, okay, you can create a WhatsApp link and connect that to a button. Now, how to create a WhatsApp number link? I have created a separate video on that. So do check that video. I will give the link of the video in the description. So it's a step-by-step video on how to create a WhatsApp number link. So once you create the WhatsApp number link, you can connect that to the button here. Okay. So what happens if people click on the button? Okay. So when people click on the button, it will directly open their WhatsApp. If they are opening this on their phone, it will open the WhatsApp app on the mobile phone. If they are clicking the ad and seeing this on desktop, it will open the desktop version of WhatsApp. Okay. So what we can do is we can pre-fill a message. That's the beauty of WhatsApp links. Okay. So in this specific case, we can give a sample message something like this. Hi, I would like to receive rupees 100 or $10, like $10 off on my purchase. You can change the currency depending upon your country, your geography. And you can also mention the product name. Okay. So when this particular message is being sent, okay, imagine what is happening. The customer need not have to fill any forms here. They just click a link. It opens up WhatsApp and with a pre-filled message. One tap, the message is sent. So without filling a form, now we are easily generating customer's phone number. Also, there is a consent from the customer because they are initiating the conversation, which means you have the consent to reply back. Okay. So once they send this message to you, the number is automatically saved in your WhatsApp marketing software. And then we can configure an automatic reply. This is the beautiful part, right? So if you use Chatbots, so there are softwares for this which allow us to configure responses to particular sentences or particular keywords. Okay. In this case, for this particular sentence, we can automatically trigger this particular response instantly. Okay. And the response text can read something like this. It can read, you can call out the name. Okay. Thanks for showing interest in our product. Just click on the button below and get whatever be the product name at flat rupees 100 off or at flat $10 off. Okay. And then to make it easier, we have made that coupon link. Okay, basically they did not go and manually enter the coupon. You can create a link which will automatically open a discounted price. Okay, if you want to give a coupon, then also please give a coupon code here. Okay, and then to add some scarcity, we have used words like this: hurry, limited time deal, offer coupon expires in 48 hours. And then there is a link. Okay, this is another great thing about WhatsApp is that you can give clickable links. If they click on it, it will open your website with the discount link applied. Okay, so that's how you can create smart campaigns. Okay, where people visit your website, they are shown a pop-up with a discount coupon offer. They click, instantly it opens WhatsApp, and one tap they send the message. Immediately you respond back with an automatic response and the coupon link. This way they are also encouraged to go and make a purchase with the coupon link. If not, also you have their phone number now for follow-up. Okay, imagine with this particular feature how soon you can generate leads. Okay, how soon you can start owning your potential customer data. Okay, this is super like revolutionary if you ask me in terms of lead generation. So if you are an e-commerce business owner, don't forget to leverage this particular feature. Okay, now how do you create this automatic response? Okay, now for that you will require a WhatsApp marketing software. So one such software which I am currently using for my business and for my clients WhatsApp projects is Wati. Okay, so it is a great software, very easy to use, and the best part is it comes with a no-code chatbot. Okay, which means you can literally drag and drop and create an entire chat flow without knowing a single piece of code. So if you are looking for a simple yet powerful WhatsApp marketing software, then do give Wati a try. You can simply use my link. It's link.alphamarketer.in/Wati. Use this link to get a free trial. You can test drive this software, and if you like the features, then you can upgrade to a monthly paid subscription plan. Full disclaimer, this is an affiliate link, which means if you go and buy a Wati account with my link, then I might end up getting a small commission out of it. But most important thing is it comes with no extra cost to you. So that way it becomes a small encouragement for me to keep creating videos like this and helping entrepreneurs like you to grow your business with the help of WhatsApp marketing. So just in case if you need any help in creating a WhatsApp chatbot flow, then I have created a separate video, a step-by-step guide on how to create a no-code chatbot using Wati software. The link to watch that video, I will leave it in the description. Do check that video. That can also help you get started with building a chatbot for your e-commerce store. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Just in case you need help in implementing WhatsApp conversational marketing suite for your D2C e-commerce business, then do reach out to us on this link, alphamarketer.in/chat. When you visit this link, you'll be welcomed by my WhatsApp chatbot. It will guide you to the whole process as to how you can work with us. And just in case if you are a digital marketing agency or a freelancer who wants to learn WhatsApp conversational marketing, again you can visit this link, alphamarketer.in/chat. My WhatsApp chatbot will guide you to the whole process as to how you can join our training programs and learn WhatsApp marketing from us. Lastly, if you found value in this video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. It will greatly motivate me to create more such videos and help entrepreneurs like you grow your business with WhatsApp marketing. Thank you so much and bye-bye.